Good morning, boys and girls. We are back with more Greek and Latin roots. This week we'll be working with Unit 13 with roots that mean 3, 4, and 5. So if you look at our list at the top, you'll see that we have tri, which means 3, and that is of Greek origin. We have quad or quar, means 4, and that is of Latin origin. And then penta and quint, which mean 5. That is, one's Greek and one's Latin. Okay? So I'm going to jump right into it for you. We're just going to go over the definitions of these words that are listed today, and then we'll talk about what your assignment is. So the first one is triathlon. This is a long distance race that has 3 parts to it. So you swim, then you bike, and then you run. Okay, so that's what a triathlon is. A trilogy is a series of 3 novels or movies. We generally think about like the Hunger Games or Star Wars originally was a trilogy. Back when I was a kid, they only had 3. All right, and then trimester. Trimester is a period of 3 months. One of 3 periods into which school year is sometimes divided. Don't see that a lot. A lot of times you do hear about this when somebody is pregnant, then they break up the pregnancy time into 3 sections, and they call them first, second, and third trimester. Okay, moving on, we have a trident. Okay, trident is like a fishing spear that has 3 points on it. Okay, it looks kind of like a pitchfork. It is also what Poseidon carries with him, the god of the sea from our Greek myths. Quadrangle. Quadrangle is another name for a quadrilateral that you guys have been talking about in math at some point. That's a flat shape with 4 sides and 4 angles. Then we have a quartet. A quartet is a group of 4 singers or musicians who perform together. So when you have a group of 4 that works together, in music, that's a quartet. A quart is customary measurement. This is used to measure liquids. Okay. 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. So if you think about a gallon of milk, it's 1/4 of that is a quart. Okay. A pentagon is a 5-sided shape, has 5 sides and 5 corners. A pentagram is a shape that's a star with 5 points. Okay, not always a real positive symbol. And then we have the last one, quintuplet. When you have 5 babies born at once. So you think about twins are 2, triplets are 3, quadruplets are 4, and then quintuplets are 5. When you have 5 babies at the same time. No, thank you. All right, so that is it for the shapes. Let's look at your form. This is the same thing that's in your book, and the same thing as we did last week. Show me the answer to that one, so you can get the second one at least. But this is what it'll look like. Get down here to the bottom and submit. I gave you number 2. The man from the village used a trident to spear fish. Okay, so you can have that one. I'll let you have it. So get that done for me. Enjoy. Refer to this throughout the week if you need to. Have a good one.